Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a NOKIA C32 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. Before we will start, just a quick disclaimer, I highly recommend to click in the link which is in the description box because it will be transferred to our website, and among others you can find all secret codes which are applicable to this device, and you can always, for example, paste them not paste, but copy them and paste them into your dialer if you will forget any of them. Alright, so let's start. Let's enter the dialer as it is the place where we can enter the codes. And let's start with probably the most known, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device, so you can have a quick access to them. Let me show you another code which is pretty similar to the previous one. It is *#07#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we can check the maximum SAR level, so we can check the head and the body of our device. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. And the code is *#*225#*##*#. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they're grouped into particular sections and you can check how much you've got applied or saved. Alright, let me show you another code which will open the diagnostic information, the diagnostic mode, which is provided by Google. It is *#426###*#. And as I said, we are in the diagnostic, so here we can check the server, host port and time connected. We can always tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status, and here we've got more information. So for example, the last ping, heartbeat or HB algorithm. Let me go back and let me show you the last code for today's video. It is *#4636###. And here we've got the testing mode, so we can check the technical information about your device. So as you can see, you've got the phone information, battery and Wi-Fi info also, and the usage statistics. So let's start with phone info. Simply tap on it, and here you can check the information just like the email number, current network, data service or voice service. I know that I do not have any information right here. It is because I do not have my SIM inserted. No worries, if you've got one, you will be able to check the information. Right here we can run ping test also, and after tapping on the three dots icon we can also enable the data connection or view service dialing numbers. Let's check the battery information, for example, and as you can see, after tapping on it, your device will show you the status, for example, that it is not charging currently, the current battery level, scale, health, etc. So you can always enter this section to learn about the battery. If you have the feeling that the battery does not behave properly, you can check it right here. Let's go back and go to the usage statistics, and basically here we've got the list of all currently installed apps and basically the processes in the background, and you can check them. You can check basically how much time you've spent on them. So for example, we can check that I've been using the camera for over 3 minutes and the settings for almost 14. We can change the sorting time, of course. It's up the sorting type, not time. It's of course up to you. You can, instead of usage time, you can also check last time used or app name. So as I said, up to you. And the Wi-Fi info, here we've got the API configuration and the status. So let's for example enter the status. We can refresh the stats, and here we can check the information just like the SSID or network ID. We can also run ping tests here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.